Super Nintendo Classic Edition, playing some Street Fighter 2. I'm using the 8-bit NES30 arcade fight stick, and this was madcatz SE fight stick, which I customized. I repainted it. I put a new laminate label on there with the Street Fighter 2 artwork. Sandwall stick, sandwall buttons. I padhacked it to a SNES30 8-bit controller, so it's Bluetooth rechargeable, and that's the new NES30 arcade fight stick. I had to update the firmware on the Bluetooth receivers for both of these to work with the SNES Classic Edition. Now with the updated firmware, now I'm able to pair this one. And the only thing is the button layout was all different. They were all mixed up, so I opened it up and then I just switched the buttons around. So now it works fine.